Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And then guys, here I just want to show you how to check Tshwane University of Technology TUT application status for 2026. If you have already applied for TUT application, you want to study at TUT in 2026, guys, you must check the application status of your application. So guys, here is my website. It's called sainfoweb.co.za. And then guys, let's continue. Let's start. As you can check step by step how to check your status. So you will come and you will come here, go to the official TUT Enabler portal. Here you will click here. I will leave the link on the description for my website, so that you can come and read everything before you go to check your status. So you will click here. When you click here, guys, it will redirect you here, or you can go to Google Chrome and click this and write this URL. It will direct you here. So here, as you can check, enter ID number to enable to see application status, and student number, ID number or student number. Alternative, enter the following if you don't have an ID number. If you don't have an ID number, it means that you will enter your surname, full names, date of birth, and then you click submit. So guys, I will leave the link on the description. Check your application status for TUT. And then guys, thank you for watching this short video. And then please subscribe to my channel for other content. I wish you all the best, guys. I wish you all the best. Thank you.